Miss Chris Aquino, nagpahayag ng madamdaming birthday greetings sa anak na si Bimbi. Hindi napigilan ng actress at host na si Miss Chris Aquino ang maging emotional sa pagdiriwang na ika-17 kaarawan ng bunsong anak na si Bimbi. Inamin ni Miss Chris ang takot na nararamdaman na hindi na siya makapag-celebrate ng mga darating pang birthdays ni Bimbi dahilan sa kanyang pinagdadaan ng multiple autoimmune conditions. Gayunman, pinasalamatan din ni Miss Chris si Bimbi sapagkat ito man ang pinaguhugutan niya ng lakas sa gitna ng kanyang mga karamdaman. Idineklara din ni Miss Chris na si Bimbi ang kanyang greatest achievement at hiniling na sana ay laging maging malakas ito, manatili ang magandang asal, gayon din ang pagkamagalang nito na sana ay hindi magbago. Sa huli, ipinahayag ni Miss Chris ang hindi matatawarang pagmamahal sa kanyang bunsong anak. There's a lot I haven't shared with you about the current state of my health, primarily because my news has mostly been sad. April 19, 2007, I gave birth to my living guardian angel. In the past month with Kuya Josh back in the Philippines, and because of several vaccines I needed to be given, Bim kept me company while I quarantined. Ayokong sirain ang dapat good vibes sa 17th birthday ni Bim, but I also know for all those praying for us, I owe you the truth. Padaanin lang natin please ang April 19. Happy birthday to our beloved at Chinita Princess. To Bim, I'm keeping the promise I made to you. September 28, 2018. When we first knew, there was something scary about my sudden weight loss and my complete blood test result. I'm sorry for showing weakness yesterday when I cried nonstop because of my fear that I may not be around to be with you on your 18th birthday. It's my bad for not being grateful that against all odds, with 5 autoimmune conditions, 3 of them that are life-threatening, I failed to see the glass as being half full. Because you've matured so much, and you're always ready to help my nurses. And though I know you're also freak, you still show calm and absolute faith in God when my BP and my heart rate reach scary high numbers. No matter how much physical pain I endure daily, my heart overflows with love because of your caring, selfless, unconditional love. My one wish is for your character to remain strong, your values and integrity stay admirable, your respectful and polite manner unchanged, and your passion for learning will continue to inspire you to make the most of your education. I love you not only during my lifetime or yours, but definitely for eternity. You're my greatest achievement. Because of your capacity to love, this early, you've embraced your responsibility to take care of your kuya. And since you were 11 years old, you've been so much protective of me. Love doesn't die, my honey pot. Please remember that. Happy birthday to the love of my life. Si Miss Chris kasama ang anak ni si Bimbi ay kasalukuyang nasa Amerika pa at nagpapagamot. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.